Alrighty, brand spanky new 23 CRV. We're doing the air filter because we can. So it's pretty simple. I'll put it back and show you. This side gets clipped in there. Let's see, sort of have to weasel it in there. So pull this sort of upward and back in, but we're going to do it backwards because we're going to put it back on. Come on, puppy. If it wants to do it. Well, it can't do it with one hand, but you see what I'm saying. Pop this guy off. Pop that one off. And lift up toward the passenger side. Kind of difficult with one arm, but one hand. And there you go. Try to pull it upward. And I'll put the link to what number this one is. And you are good to go. So line her back up. I'll do it with my second hand. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.